Hi, I'm starting my journey of learning C++. Let me give you a brief introduction about what I'm going to do and what this channel is all about. So, a brief background about me that right now I'm in my last year of computer science engineering, and I haven't learned anything in, like, I won't say anything that I have built some projects from watching YouTube videos. Like, I know a bit of Python, I know bits of Java, I know bits of C++ also. Uh, I tried to build a few projects like an AI system using Python, and after that I jumped into Java. For like, everybody around me was building applications, so I jumped into Java. I learned a bit of Java and XML and tried to build some apps on Android Studio, but that didn't work out for me because at first I was very excited about building apps and I thought this is what I'm going to do. And I built a few things of my own, but then I learned that I have to learn all the syntax, all the basic syntax and data structures and all that thing, and it was just going all over my head in Java. And after that I got into some bad shit, so I left it out. But now that I have to get a placement, I have to get a job, which I do not have right now because I actually wasted a lot of time, and I regret it. I regret wasting time. I could have learned a lot more things. I could have learned a lot of things, but right now, as I see that I need to get a job, everybody is saying that you first need to learn a programming language, its basic syntax and everything. After that, you go on to building some projects onto it. You also learn data structures and algorithms. So there are a few data structures that I have to learn. Those are like arrays, linked lists, strings, queue, graph, trees, etc. And I know a brief introduction of all about all those data structures. I know a bit about algorithms. Like, I learned them theoretically, like search algorithms and sorting algorithms. But I have to learn a lot of things to get a job. And I have this habit of documenting myself learning a few things because I think that this keeps me accountable of learning of a new technology or anything like that. And I don't know if my future is into technology, if my future is in going for computer science. But because I'm also preparing for civil services exams or government exams, my father keeps saying that get into a government job because it's safe. And I don't know, like, what will I do in future. But right now that I have only 6 months left for me to learn few things and get a job, a good great job, because I don't want to be a burden on my family, like sitting on home even after completing my graduation. I don't want to be that. uh, so I have quite a lot of aspirations of myself. I'm also learning pronunciation in English, so, and English is not my first language, so pardon me on that. And so this was just the first video for me starting to learn C++. And how I'm going to learn it is like, so to learn C++, I have seen this course, 6 hours course made by a YouTuber, Bro Code, and I think I'm going to follow that video. And it's a long ass video. It's of like 6 hours, and I don't know if I have that focus and discipline myself to stay on that 6 hours video and learn it. But it's worth giving it a try. It's worth trying the challenge for myself, that like to be something great, to be someone who can do it. Like, my confidence is very low at the moment when we talk about programming or anything else. I have my batchmates who are placed in various tech companies like TCS and HCL, or I have one batchmate who has been placed in Saber Technologies, something like that. I had 16 lakhs package, and I think it's a great package. And he learned C++, he learned DSA, and it was all a year ago he started learning it. He solved questions on Lead Code and on Code Forces, and I was there. I saw him doing all that hard work while I was enjoying. I was just enjoying it that time, and I regret it. So, well, they say it's never too late to give it, to try your best and do something great out of your life. So here I am, leaving everything behind me and starting my coding journey again, my programming journey again, and let's give C++ a shot. Not a shot. I'm going to do it. I'm definitely going to do it. I'm definitely going to learn C++ and get a job, get a placement. I don't know if there will be a job or anything, but let's make it like small goals, and then we will go to a big goal of getting a job. So the first small goal would be to complete this 6 hours video and understand everything about C++. So yeah, that's it. So let's get into it.